Hi everybody, Brian from Steeda, showcasing our strut tower brace for the S550 Ford Mustang as well as the Shelby GT350. The strut tower brace is exactly as its name. It's a brace that spans the distance and ties the strut towers together. Very similar to the Steeda G-Track braces that tie in the K-member underneath the car, this strut tower brace is designed to add chassis rigidity, and it's going to be most beneficial when you're throwing your Mustang around corners. All right, brace yourselves for some real information. All joking aside, we like to have fun with this, but more importantly, we love to improve the Mustang. And the strut tower brace does a great job of tying in the upper strut mounts. But let's put this into layman's terms. As you're throwing your car around a corner, the outside tire loads, the inside tire lifts. That's just the natural way that's going to happen. Your momentum's carrying through the corner, weight is going to transfer to the outside. And what this does is it creates a lean in the chassis because you're loading the outside front tire, the inside is lifting. So as you're loading the outside, the strut tower wants to push in a little bit. And as the other side's lifting, it actually wants to pull out a little bit. What does this ultimately do? It changes the ultimate angle of the suspension. Take a look at any footage of Glenn or Dario piloting the red 2018 Q500 HPDE car or our yellow SCCA road race car. And you're going to notice right away that as they're going through corners or popping off of curbs, especially the slow-mo footage that we've got, you'll see that the front wants to even twist a little bit. The strut tower brace is an integral part, and it's so integral that for the performance pack cars and the GT350s, it's equipped with a strut tower brace from the factory. So for those of you that have cars, whether it be an EcoBoost or standard GT, and have no strut tower brace, this is a must-have for you. So if you're looking for a great way to improve the feel of the car and give you better steering feedback, whether it's on canyon roads, an autocross event, or track days, and in particular, if your car didn't already come with a strut tower brace, definitely look into this. Even better, the Steeda strut tower brace is inexpensive and very simple to install. It's backed by our lifetime warranty, and we proudly manufacture this in the USA at our Valdosta, Georgia facility because speed matters. If you have had the opportunity to push your Mustang to the limit before and after installing a strut tower brace, definitely post below so that our viewers can see your feedback. Also, if you enjoyed the content of this video, please click like and share it with other enthusiasts. We've spent a lot of time highlighting the performance benefits of adding the Steeda strut tower brace to your Mustang. And although this is a really pretty piece and no doubt will get attention when you pop the hood, that's not what we designed it for. We designed it for when you are pushing your Mustang. More importantly, to give you better feedback and feel, steering feedback that's oh so important when you're pushing your car through the corners, whether it be at an autocross event, a track day, or just canyon carving. When you're pushing your Mustang to the limits, its cornering limits, this will benefit you in feel and ultimately confidence. For the latest and greatest in how we're pushing our Mustangs to the limit, be sure to check us out on our social media channels. If you'd like to learn more about the strut tower brace, as well as the many other products we offer for the Ford Mustang and other Ford vehicles, visit us at Steeda.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic day.